Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana Act on the Me, and I am back this Sunday with a fish fry, y'all. So this is something a little different. I know I cook fish for y'all on my videos, but today is gonna be a fish fry. I'm making some salad, some fried fish, and some French fries, right? Some French fries. Okay. So got my mama right here. She act like she don't want to get in the camera, but she gonna end up in there a little later if she walk through the video, y'all. Don't mind her. Look, got flour all on my chin. I had seasoned up my flour and everything, y'all know. So, yeah, I just come on did this little intro for y'all. I'm finna get my little salad together. So y'all just be ready for this little fish fry that we got going on today. Y'all going on to get y'all drinks and everything. And let's get this thing poppin'. Alright, y'all, finna get this salad going. And I got me some romaine lettuce, and I'm just about to cut this down and put it in my pan. I cut it down sort of kind of thin, not too thick. I know y'all probably can't see too good, but I'm trying to angle you down a little bit more. Hold on, y'all. What's up, Tukaloo? Who video you finna call, girl? Mine. Oh. Can you shut that door? Hold on a little bit. Huh? Alright, so I'm cutting this romaine lettuce down small. And I like to use romaine lettuce instead of iceberg lettuce, because iceberg lettuce, it just holds so much water to me. The ones that say, oh yeah, that's the one. If you can notice, I'm in a different kitchen. I'm at my mama's house. Ain't nothing special. It's too late, child. Y'all hear her? Got my sister back over here, y'all. Oh, them yellow flies ain't no joke. Them horse flies or whatever they use. They ain't your foot red. It's just hot or what? No, the bottom of the foot is red. It do all that? I don't know. It got all this red. Girl, you better put some butter on it. You know. I don't watch it all. I got some calamine lotion and pink lotion. Oh yeah, use some of that. What kind of itchy? They go itchy. Look back there. You making this soap from scratching it. Just 2 heads of romaine lettuce that I have cut up. Right. You sure was.
I got the scratch.
Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Let me go drain this so much. I had to dry my lettuce off because I ain't want no water on it. I had rinsed it off. So, I'm just cutting up this onion. Cut this in little strips thin.
Let me go fix that.
What?
That lid. I'll go fit on top of that fish. I'm just cutting up the cucumber. I cut it in half, and I'm just cutting this in thin pieces as well. You know she is. Y'all can see they real thin. If you cut it up thin, one cucumber can be just enough for this whole salad. You ain't got none. I'm cutting on them. You do? Yes. Well, cutting up out the pan.
You ain't lying, Mom, because I sure thought you didn't have one. I'm sorry.
Yes, I do. Got two.
Why you ain't say nothing?
Because I didn't know that what you was over there doing. I bet you got it all cut up too.
It got slices on it. Let's see how thin it is. So just take them, put them all over that salad. Now I got my tomatoes. I'm just gonna take them and cut them in half. Just like that. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Some didn't get it, but some of them did. A lot of them did. That's looking so cute, y'all. Ain't this looking cute? It's just some real big ones that don't get cut all the way down. Y'all saw what I was doing? Child, girl, your girl know how to do something. But how I seen people do it, they put a plate or something on top.
Get down!
That's my mama hollering at the dog brother.
Let him go potty.
Oh, y'all, look at that salad looking delicious. Oh, scrumptious. You see it? So I have me some Kobe and Monterey Jack cheese right here that I'm gonna add to it. All right, so I am going to sprinkle some celery salt over this, but I'm not yet. I got my eggs still boiling, and so I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper all over this. I like to add carrots to mine too, y'all, but you know, folks don't eat all that stuff like that, you know. So I'm gonna leave that like that. And when I peel my eggs and they cool off, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna add the rest of the stuff, okay? So y'all just hold tight. Alright, y'all, so I got the eggs done. I got some bacon, but I'm not gonna put the bacon in there for the people that don't eat pork. So I'm just gonna cut this egg up. Not too little, but kind of like on the big side. You know. I forgot to turn the light on for y'all. Hold on.
You just had to mess with that woman, didn't you? You just had to. You never could have messed with her.
I did. No, we ain't knocked it down. We took it down.
It's hard at the Curtis Carol, honey. You need air.
Hello? What's up, man? Oh, okay. All right.
It ain't hard to put that up there.
Okay. So I got that and everything, and it's looking so good. I'm gonna put some celery salt on here.
You too big to be low. Okay.
Just a little bit. And then I'm gonna take some of this Kobe Monterey Jack cheese, and I'm gonna put that down in there. And I think yeah, I'm gonna mix it up because I don't see no water, and I drained as much as I could, y'all. So I'm gonna get this a good mix, a good one. Honey, you were frying fish. Now I'm helping.
Oh, I'm frying fish now, but you done did all the seasoning and all of that.
Go on, let them know now. Let them know now, girl. Y'all see this salad coming? Ooh! Looks so good. Looks so good. So good. Just mixing this on up. I'm gonna put some more cheese off of this thing. Now I'm gonna get that put on in the refrigerator, and I am through. And the only thing they gotta do is put the bacon on there, some croutons, and some dressing. That's it. All right, now we're finna get out here and do this. All right, so we got the fish out here and the grease, and we're about to take up this first